Hello guys, in today's video I want to share you my simple strategy on psychological level, how to use them and make a consistent profit. Maybe you have seen a lot of videos or tons of videos on psychological levels, but you don't know how to use them because they are not showing you exactly how to use psychological level. So if you haven't watched my last video on how to plot psychological level, please go and check those videos and watch them. So because without, if you don't know how to plot them, you can't really understand. So today I'm going to show you how to use them to make a consistent profit. That is how I use it to cut this amazing trade I'm about to display to you guys now. So first thing before you use this strategy is to go to daily time frame. Any time frame can serve. Is to identify the market structure. You can see here now the market structure here is bullish. If you can see that this market structure here is bullish, so going to smaller time frame, 4 hour time frame, going to 4 hour time frame, you can also spot here that the market here is in a downtrend. So before it created this high, before it was broken, this candlestick here broke this high. So what does this tell you? It tells us that the market has changed structure. Yes, it has changed structure. So we'll be waiting for confirmation. Let this market come back to our psychological level here, giving us a candlestick confirmation. Then we take the buy trade. So then we wait. So after some waiting, you can see this market is in our psychological level, but we can't buy right now because there's no confirmation yet. So we have to wait for confirmation first. So after some waiting, you can see this candlestick now signifies our entry, because this is called this pattern now is called Haramin candlesticks. So you can check it online. Then what will you do? You take your long position, boom. Then your take profit will be around this region. Then your stop loss will be below here. So let us make it realistic. Here our take profit will be here 108 pips. So let's all see how the trade plays. After some time, the market is getting to our take profit. The market smash our take profit. Guys, it's very simple. Please like this video and drop your comments. I will still drop another video for you guys. I love you guys.